We want to talk to you guys about the importance of improving your social media.
Yeah.
So we came across these stats of the survey that just came out.
Yeah, I don't know how many of you follow The Close. TheClose.com is a cool website resource. We've kind of found this over the last couple of months, very much targeted to real estate and realtors. And one of the things that they put out, they did this survey right at the end of the year, and they were asking agents lots of different things. And one of the things that came across here was, what were they using to grow their business, right? Because we all want to know, how are we growing our business? And in this case, they had two things that really stood out to us. So what worked for agents for getting new clients in 2020? So this is brand new. This isn't like 2017 or 18 numbers. This is brand new information. And you kind of get a bit of an idea here. The big one here, 44% posting on social media. Obviously, referrals are the king, and they always will be. Referrals are definitely going to be the best way to grow your business, and no matter what kind of business. I know some of you joining us probably already aren't in real estate either, but that's okay. We're really going to talk a lot about things that are going to help you grow your business. But this 44% posting on social media, that's 44% of these agents that replied, that's how they got new clients in 2020. So that was a huge first number. And then the next one that really got us was this one here. So what are you going to focus on in 2021 to grow your business? So direct mail, SEO, branding, CRM, email campaigns, those are all really good. 82% said improve social media presence.
Yay.
So more than 8 out of 10 of the real estate agents out there, they're planning on improving their social media presence and using that to hopefully attract new business and grow their business in 2021. So that's a big thing, and we see it as two big opportunities for you. The first one is that you're going to have to be one of these 82%, right? You're going to have to be in on that. You're going to have to use social media to grow that. And you're going to have a plan for how to do that. And for those of you that are around us for a little while, it's no shock, we're going to talk about video and using video for that plan. But you're going to need a plan to make sure that you've got a good way to use that to grow your presence on social media. And then the other thing is, holy cow, here's a big warning. All 82% of the competition in your market is also planning on growing their business using social media marketing this year. So what's that going to look like?
Yeah, so you want to stand out, right? You want to either get ahead of the other people that are going to be growing their presence on social media. You want people to know you.
The idea here is that, what can you do to get people to, we always talk about it, know, like, and trust you. Step number one is, how do they even know you? Are you a real estate agent, or how can you help them? Are you somebody that they should even be looking for? So a lot of times in history, we would use different things for that, right? Mailers, radio ads, TV ads, billboards, bench signs, whatever you can get to get your name out there, right? And that was always a tactic that was going to hopefully help pay dividends. The problem with that is it doesn't necessarily help people get to know you, right? So I know your name and I know that you're a realtor. Great. That's step one. That's important. But do I know you? Like, are you going to be a good fit for me? Are you going to be somebody that I'm going to want to work with? Are you going to be somebody that's going to help me get to where I want to go? This 82% thing, one thing that we really want you to understand is that means that Facebook, Instagram, anywhere that you're using social media is about to get even noisier, right? So more real estate professionals, more people in your industries are going to be using social media to grow their business this year because they know that it works.
Just doing static posts is great, but if you want to elevate that to the next level, video right now, it was last year, it is growing even more this year, and in the years to come is trumping everything right now. You can retarget and you can use that to grow like your own list within Facebook. So that means that you're talking directly to the people that are interested and that are most likely to give you a call.
Our local real estate board asked us, can you teach some of our local realtors how to make videos for themselves? Because everyone was kind of understanding already, and this is 2018, early 2019, they were already understanding video was going to make a big difference on this. So we said, yeah, absolutely, we'd love to do that. So we set up this cool workshop. It was 2 different sessions, had a room full of real estate professionals, real estate agents, brokers, and it was up to us to teach them how to make videos that they could use to start marketing their properties.
Yeah.
Now, at the time, we were making videos with just DSLR cameras. That was the only way, really, we were doing professional type of videos. So we went through the whole day. We taught them about story. We taught them, how to tell an interesting story. We showed them the gear. We taught them how to use the video cameras. We taught them how to do all of this kind of stuff. We taught them how to edit it, how to put it on Facebook, and all these kinds of things. And it was a great session. We had a lot of really good engagement, and it was really cool. And then right at the very end, we got this question that kind of stumped us.
Yeah. We had one of the real estate professionals say, that's just great and everything. Kind of got a little lost on the text. So can I just do that with my phone? And
No.
Aaron's like, no way.
You
No
can't
way.
make a video
You
with your
can't.
phone.
You
It's
can't
not
do
going to
that.
be professional. It's not going to
Yeah.
look good enough. No, you can't do it. So we're like, but then we left and we're kind of like,
Yeah.
well,
I said to him, well, if I feel for them. So yeah, if there's any way that we could make it with our phones, like I already know how to turn this on. And I know that if I press record, everything just automatically works for me. And then I can just take the shots that I need to take and then go home and edit it. And all that techie stuff is out the door. I don't have to really worry about it. Right. So then we got kind of,
what if you could do it?
what if we could do it?
Yeah. So we thought, okay, well, let's challenge ourselves here. We tested a bunch of different things, tried it out, tried to, kind of get down pat. And then once we did that, we thought, well, let's try it out. Let's call somebody
yeah.
and let's go make one and see if it will work.
Yeah,
Right?
so we got in touch with our friend Brittany, who works in Napanee, and we said, can we go to a property with you and let's just film it with our phone and we'll see what we can get out of this. And it was great. It was awesome. It was eye-opening for them as well, that they were like, wow, this is really easy to do. Like you can just take your phone and put it on a tripod, or in this case, a gimbal here, and take a few shots. And, we edited on site as well. So it worked out well. It wasn't that time consuming for them. They didn't have to worry about trying to book somebody to come in. And, Brittany did this herself after just, us. Oh, we were there obviously with her, but just telling her, hey, you want to get a few different angles of what you want to shoot, up high, down low, panning, tilting, those sorts of things, and put that together to tell the story of the home.
The answer to our question, can you do this? The answer to the question that we got in the workshop, can I use my phone? The answer is yes.
Absolutely.
And you should, because those 82% of you and your competition that are going to be out there trying to grow on social media, they're all going to be trying to figure this out.